So hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you on how to get Xbox Game Pass for free in 2026. So let's get started. So let me just open my browser real quick, and all you need to do is go to the website called couponsland.net. So I'm already in this website and there are many more games and their codes, so you guys can use any of them if you play any of these games. So let me just go to the second page and look for Xbox Game Pass. So you guys can see right here, just click get code and you guys can see the details right here. So for now I'm just going to go ahead and click show code. So alright, it is verifying our coupon right now, so basically it's processing right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a second. So we are almost at 80%, so let's just wait a second. And also this will work for 12 months and afterwards it will expire, so you guys can enjoy it for a whole year. So we are almost done and our code is nearly revealed, but first of all we need to verify ourselves, as you guys can see. Alright, but sometimes the verification fails, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try again. So let me just click right here, and alright, so finally our code is revealed successfully. Now I'm just gonna copy this code and paste here real quick, as you guys can see right here. So I'm just gonna put it real quick, so just give me a second. So it's HT7GT 3 3Q2WX 3Q2WX 8PL4Z 8PL4Z TY6RB TY6RB 1 and 5KD 1 and 5KD. So alright, let me show you my code again here real quick. As you guys can see, it's the same code. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click next to see if it works. And alright, so it is processing our code right now. Let's see if it is valid or not. So let's just give it a second, and also don't forget to like this video. So finally our code is successfully redeemed. Now I'm able to enjoy my Xbox Game Pass for free for a whole of 12 months.